A lesson from a fever. Last month, I experienced one of the most uncomfortable weeks of my life. It began with a mild headache and body aches that I thought were just a result of working too long on my assignments. The next morning, however, I felt very weak and noticed that my temperature had risen to 38.5 degrees Celsius. I also had chills and could not concentrate on anything. At first, I tried to ignore the symptoms and drank plenty of water, thinking it was just fatigue. But after 2 days, my condition worsened. I developed a sore throat, lost my appetite, and felt dizzy whenever I stood up. My mother insisted that I visit the community health center. At the clinic, the doctor asked me several questions about my symptoms. He checked my temperature, throat, and pulse. After a brief examination, he said that I had influenza, a common viral infection that affects the respiratory system. The doctor explained that the flu is different from a common cold because it usually causes high fever, severe body aches, and extreme tiredness. He prescribed antiviral medicine and recommended that I get enough rest, drink warm fluids, and eat nutritious food to recover faster. He also reminded me to wear a mask and avoid close contact with others to prevent spreading the virus. After 4 days of proper rest and medication, I began to feel better. The fever disappeared, my appetite returned, and my energy improved. This experience taught me the importance of recognizing symptoms early and not ignoring signs of illness. I also learned how easily common diseases like influenza can spread, especially when people neglect basic hygiene practices such as hand washing and covering their mouths when coughing or sneezing. Since then, I have made a habit to live more healthily by eating balanced meals, exercising regularly, and maintaining personal hygiene. The week I spent recovering from the flu was a valuable lesson about taking better care of my body and preventing disease.